Hello. Practically every pediatric article about home video games is negative or includes following terms: passive screen watching, sedentary lifestyle, health disorders. As I understand, good video games should be active, outdoor type, and should be played in cooperative way. Web search displays a lot of examples. I have selected 2 of them. Yes. At the left screen, you can see the Canadian project made on the base of Kinect Motion Sensor. What is good here? We can see the reference grid at the screen that helps to control the game, and Canadian students used 2 clones of one solo game at one screen. This approach adds competition. What is not good? Kinect Motion Sensor can be used indoors only, and it looks in horizontal direction. That is not good because players can shade each other if they start moving. At the right screen we can see Spanish project. They played outdoors and they have a big screen. It is good. What is not good? There is no reference grid, and it looks that one screen is not enough. In my small project, I try to compile the best known features of some new approaches also. Here you can see the drawings from my utility patent description, general layout at the left, and cross-section of cyber arena at the right. So you can see here playground with a command line, 4 screens, a camera, PC, internet connection, and a similar device for online gaming. Here is a cross-section with camera. Under camera we see playground, benches for and the rest. Here are the field players, and this is a commander or team leader. Okay, this is my super budget model. I take a cardboard, small figures of the humans, web camera fixed with rubber coil. Yes. And of course a computer. On computer I install Python language, Pygame library, openCV library that is responsible for computer vision. openCV library make a lot from the picture. Oh, you can see here what web camera see and the result of conversion. openCV library converts image of the player as a color blob, calculate the center of this color blob, and transfer it to the game loop, to the game main loop to control the game. There is no need to paint real player. Color cap and color t-shirt of the same color is pretty much enough. So, in order to check how the game will play, I have created a small space shooter in the Star Wars style. So we have it, outer space, everything is dark, the radar is moving just as yellow player moves along the playground. So we see the enemy, the blue captain occupies shoot cell, and rocket fly and hit the enemy. So again, wonderful. So in real life, in a quarter of an hour, you will run up to sweat. Here is an example of tank simulator. Tank simulator starts from PC, then Xbox, now gadget. It seems that progress stops, but try to imagine something instead of bowling club with huge screens, with the system I have offered. And for example, 3 friends come to play one game. One is for driver of the tank, another guy is for gunman, and blue one guy is for tank commander. They all try to move cooperatively according to the military mission. I think it will be interesting and to move, to fire, to game at a very large screen. I think it may be cool. Another situation, imagine standard family, 2 adults and 2 kids. They come to the recreation park and they have ordered double Angry Birds. Why double? Because on the screen you have 2 set of castles and the playground is divided into 2 parts. So we have 2 teams. One commander may be a parent and 1 kid as a field player. The first step is to choose the bird to shoot. So the field player occupy the necessary position, like, for example, like here. Wait a little. Okay, so we choose the proper bird. Now the yellow player fix the choice, memorize it, and the next step is to charge a rubber sling. So each position on the field corresponds to some force of rubber elongation and angle. So we choose the proper position, then occupy the right cell, and so we make a shot. Second team do the same, but is in opposite direction. So we have heavy shooting. So we have a lot of fun, cooperative action. I hope it will be nice.